नमस्कार, बिहार मिथिला न्यूज में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं मनोज। दरभंगा में टॉप 10 हॉस्पिटल, टॉप 10 डॉक्टर्स एवं इस तरह की कई कार्यक्रम जो आम जनता को पसंद आ रही है। हमने अब टॉप 10 नर्सिंग होम के बाद अब टॉप 10 स्कूल्स का जिक्र अब करना प्रारंभ किया है। आप भी बखूबी जानते हैं कि दरभंगा में कौन सा स्कूल टॉप 10 के रैंक में आता है। हालांकि हम यह दावा नहीं करते कि सीरियली 1 to 10 कौन है, लेकिन हम टॉप 10 स्कूल का दिखा रहे हैं और आप उसका निर्णय कीजिए। और आज हम आपको दिखाते हैं दरभंगा के टॉप 10 में पूरी तरह लोगों के बीच में चर्चा है एजुकेशन को लेकर के, क्वालिटी एजुकेशन को लेकर के, शिक्षकों की क्वालिटी को लेकर के और वहां की जो फैसिलिटी है उसको लेकर के। होली मैरी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल, हम बता दें शिव किशोर राय ने 2014 में इसकी स्थापना की थी और आज 1400 स्टूडेंट्स हैं। यही नहीं, अभिभावक के साथ छात्र भी काफी ज्यादा संतुष्ट हो रहे हैं। यही नहीं, इसके अलावा जो मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर हैं वो और प्रिंसिपल सभी ने मिलकर इस स्कूल को एक ऐसा रूप तैयार किया है कि पूरे शहर में चर्चा का विषय बना हुआ है कि कम समय में यानी कि 6-7 वर्षों में ही होली मैरी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल ने अपनी छात्रों शिक्षकों की प्रतिभा से दरभंगा के लोगों में एक छाप छोड़ी है। देखिए होली मैरी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल की फैसिलिटी।
School has been inaugurated on 2014 April 13. The founder and the chairman of the school has got a vision to uplift the village students. The students from the rural area are not getting the enough space as well as facilities to instill and to motivate themselves into a future life. So the aim of the founder, Mr. Shivkishore Roy, it stood firm that every child, not only urban, rural children also should get a very good education. That's the purpose he built this school. Around 17 to 20 teachers as well as 450 students were there. Altogether we have 130 staff including 62 teachers. Students 1400.
शिक्षक की क्वालिफिकेशन क्या है और किस आधार पर आप चयन करते हैं?
Minimum graduation with any one of the teachers training up to 8th class. Even though CBSE tells up to 10th class graduation with B.Ed can teach, our teachers from 9 to plus 2 are postgraduates with B.Ed or M.Ed. The students are evaluated at the time of admission, not to underestimate or to just keep away from the admission, but to understand what is the background they belong to, what's the knowledge level they have, so that we can understand about the students to help them in the further classes. And the fees as per the situation as well as the facilities given to the students are very good here in the matter of fee. So fee, if suppose we think about, no matter of fee is just a means of facilitation. It is not as a income or something like that. The submitted fee or the support from the parents are fully given to the students in the form of their facilities to uplift their education. 2020 March, we got a shock news that schools were going to close, and immediately in the same month, March 13, the declaration came that 14 onwards, all schools in Bihar had to be closed. And it was surprising as well as it was shocking for every schools as well as for us too. But we came and we had a management meeting, online meetings, even with the teachers, and we came to a conclusion that we should give a better and the best possible education and online communication as well as online classes for every child. So we have started on 1st April 2020 itself, online classes. And the speciality as well as I appreciate all teachers of our school that none of our teachers are taking classes through their mobiles. All teachers from the beginning onwards, they start taking classes via laptops, as well as I thank management for supporting the teachers, for providing laptops and making the teachers convenient as well as facilitating them in all aspects. So during COVID, 19, the pandemic time, lockdown time, we have conducted an excellent and creative online classes. As well as I would like to say that the online class may not satisfy 100% as physical classes, but it fulfills the need of the time. So it is we made sure even till today and hopefully from tomorrow also the need of the students as well as their aims and academic fields we surely will fulfill. Not only the classes are running through online, not only just academic classes, we are also conducting physical education like exercises, yoga, as well as we have Saturday activities, different activities were also we are conducting through online. 2022-23 registration already started in the month of November 1st, 2021, and we are getting a very good response from parents. Parents, they give a very good remarks to us also that we are conducting a very good online class. So really they look forward from us an excellent class as we are conducting. Every parent, those who are continuing with us during these days, as well as those who are satisfied about our online classes as well as the facilities what we give for the students. So till today we are in the flow of registration, so we have not that much disturbed of this situation, but God's blessing and parents support and the hand-to-hand movement with the management and teachers, and it's working for the students. I appreciate Midila Manch for coming forward and to bring into the society about different schools, and the parents, students, the well-wishers of education surely will understand the schools in Darbhanga, and they can also come in touch with the different schools and understand the schools, and they can evaluate and go ahead which is the best school for their child's education. So I really appreciate Midila Manch for taking this initiative. My name is Shibu V. Raju.